Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just arrived in this incredible city and look at this light. It's amazing. Hey guys, I'm finally heading to Bali, Chloe. Can't believe it's happening. We are officially on the plane. Look at this tiny isle. I cannot wait to show you where we are going. We just landed in Bali, Indonesia. The weather's amazing already today. Let's go explore. First stop, Fourier, Seminyak Beach. The vibe here is unreal. We made it to the beach, it's golden hour, and this coconut water is exactly what I needed. So refreshing. Guys, look at this sunset. So peaceful. It's even prettier than photos. We're visiting one of Bali's oldest temples today. I can literally feel the calm and energy of this place. This coffee is absolutely perfect. I wish you could smell this view. This cafe is definitely going on my must-visit list. Look at all these handmade crafts. Hair, everything's so beautiful. Okay guys, I finally found the famous cream pastry. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. You have to try this when you're here. That price is too much for me.
My friend, this is handmade. I give you the best price.
The best price? Okay, I'll take two. Welcome back, everyone. We are currently exploring the Golden Hour Market and look at these incredible handmade crafts. We are cruising down this coastal road right now, and the golden hour views are absolutely incredible. I can't believe this place. Exploring on a scooter feels like freedom. I had to come check out this waterfall. The water is so refreshing. Woo! It feels incredible. Bali's nature is pure magic.
What a day, feeling grateful.
This trip already feels life-changing.
Can't believe tomorrow's my last day here.
Hi! really want. I'll definitely come back to Bali soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next vlog.